everyone. We have often heard the term internal investigation. So let's understand what does that mean and some basic information related to it. Internal investigation is a formal inquiry conducted within an organization. These are basically conducted to confirm or refute suspected wrongdoing within the company. Through these investigations, it is checked if any laws, regulations, or any internal policies have been violated. Nowadays, it has become a necessity to conduct proper investigations for global companies with rise in such offences. Some of the most common forms of potential wrongdoing in the workplace that leads to investigations are violating workplace policies, committing fraud, employment disputes, theft, getting involved in unfair competition, embezzlement, doing harassments, legal or regulatory violations, discrimination of any kind, doing misconduct, and much more. The process involved in conducting internal investigation involves planning, selection of a responsible team, data collection and review, and then finally presenting the investigation report. But for conducting a proper investigation, one must always keep in mind the purpose and goal for conducting that particular investigation within the organization. Main issues and questions arising out of that particular dispute, possible evidences and a process to preserve, collect and analyze such evidence, understanding the relevant laws and company policies involved, tools and resources needed, and also the timeline for conducting it. Some of the teams involved in internal investigations are internal human resources team, internal compliance and security teams, in-house legal teams, and others. Now, there are several authorities that deal with such investigations that involves white-collar crimes and corruption. The Serious Fraud Investigation Office, also known as SFIO, constituted under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, is the pioneer in conducting such kind of investigations. The SFIO would commence an investigation on the report of the registrar in matters involving public interest on request by the state or central government or any department, or on a special resolution being passed by a company necessitating the fact that the affairs of the company requires investigation. Now, in addition to SFIO, there are several other regulators and authorities statutorily empowered to conduct investigations. Now, these authorities include Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, which regulates the securities market, Central Vigilance Commission under the Prevention of Corruption Act. Thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe to LawWiser as we have more videos lined up surrounding internal investigations coming up.